I will record it. So when we want to deal with image tag, remember these are very, very important. One is image path, image location, image type, and where you are writing your program, right? Now what I did, I have created one folder. My folder name is, I have created my folder where in the G drive, right? So in G drive, my folder name is what? WP, which is in small case letters, WP division A. It is in small case letters, okay? Small case letters. My folder name is in small case letters. So under WP, what I'm doing, I'm storing all programs here. Okay, I'm storing all my HTML files over here. I'm storing all my HTML files here. Here in the sense where under G, I'm storing all my files under G slash. I have to take a backslash, right? So here also I need to take a backslash, right? G and WP division A. I'm storing all my files here, all my HTML files. Okay. Then I'm storing some images. I'm storing some images also. So where I'm storing that images, I'm storing my images under here. That is, I have G colon slash WP division A slash IMAGS. I'm storing all my images are here. Clear to you? Fine. Now I have created one program. I have created a file that is IMAG image tag dot HTML. Where I have created under G colon slash WP division A. Right? My file is here. Is it clear? My file is here. Now what I'm doing, to set an image, I want to set a new image. So what I'm doing, there are two things. First is image can exist. Okay, image and your PGM. Image and PGM exist in same folder. If your image and program exist in the same folder, how you are going to write? You are going to write IMG SRC is equals to name of a program, name of an image, that is HTML dot PNG. Clear to you? No need to give what? Path. No need to give path. Simple. Make it simple. No need to give path when your program, okay, and your image are existing in the same folder. Second thing is that image and your program both are, okay, in different folders. If they are in different folders, okay, give what? Path. You have to give the path, okay, or set or provide what? The location of that image. Provide location of image. So how you are going to do that? Take IMG tag, okay, take the source. What is source? I have to type the path here. So suppose my image is in G colon, where is my image slash WP division A, okay. In that one more folder is there called as images, right? Clear to you? The source of the image is that. And then I have to give the name of image. What is the name of image? GD1. So GD is in capital C. GD you have to give capital only. GD1 dot. If the image name is in capital, you have to give capital. If the image name is in small case, you have to give small case. This is very, very important. This is the second thing, guys. Okay. Clear to you? This is the secondary thing which is important. So is it clear now? Understanding? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, one more thing. One more example I will give you. If the image is in another path, for example, IMG SRC is equals to, suppose the image is in another folder, or you can say that another drive. Suppose the image is in H drive. How you will give? Tell me. If the image is in H drive, for example, let us take an question here. What is that question? Suppose I have image in H drive. Okay, I have image in H drive. Okay, so how will you take the path? And my program is in G drive. Okay, I have a program in G colon slash WP division E. So how you will take? How you will take? Yes, RC. How will you take? Who will tell the answer? Who will tell me the answer of this question, guys? Yes. Who will answer? What is the thing? My program is here. My program is in G drive and the image is in H drive. This is just like this. My program is in another folder and image is in another folder. So how you are going to write that? See, you are going to write img src. What is it? Image source is equals to, yes, anybody who will tell how to give that? My image is in H drive now. How to take that? How to take the path? Yes. First take H drive because the image is in H drive colon. Are you getting that? And then if there is folder, you take a folder, or if there is a directly an image in H drive, what you do? Directly take the name of image. Okay, name of the image, suppose dot jpg. Is it clear? And complete the double quote. So these are the very, very important things which you have to learn, right? So remember this, you're going to take these things like this path, okay, when the image and the program are in the same folder. This path, okay, when the program and image are in different folder. Then this path, when the image is in different drive and your program is in different drive. Okay, your image is in different drive and your program is in different drive. So these are the different ways of setting the image. Okay, these are the different ways of setting the images. So image tag again important is the path. Remember that. If your program and your image is in the same folder, directly you can go for this. Okay, directly you take HTML, PNG. When, tell me, when you are going to tell this, when you are going to take it, when your program and your HTML are in the same folder. When your program is in another folder and image is in another folder, then you follow this. Okay. When your program is in another drive and your image is in another drive, at that time you have to go for this. That is h:/name image.jpg. Clear to you? Go through this video again, you will understand that. See. So I'll just open the folder for you here. See, once again, you see, I have a G drive. Okay. In that G drive, what I'm doing, I have a WP division A folder. And here I'm storing all my programs. Okay. Here I'm storing all my programs. Okay. Then there is one more folder called as images. All the images are present here. If I want to take an image from here, I have to take path of this image. Okay. Then if I want to directly take image which is in what? A same folder. See what is that same folder? Image tag, the program is in also same folder and the file is also in the same folder. Then there is no need to give the path. Suppose my program is in the G drive. My program is in the G drive, right? My program is suppose somewhere in the G drive and the image is in H drive. Okay. Yes, suppose the image is somewhere here in the H drive. Then what I have to take? I have to take, where is that image? Suppose this image, let me take. I have one image that is HTML in H drive. Control V. Okay. Yes, there is one image which is located in H drive and I want to take this image in my program. I want to take this image in my program. My program is in G drive, right? G drive, WP division A. Here is my program, that is image tag. So when I want to take that code here, okay, when I want to take that code here, how I'm going to take? See here. I will do something like img src is equals to, where is that image? That is in H. Okay. You can take capital as well as small. Preferably you take capital H colon. So now the image is not in folder. The image is directly in the drive. The image is not in the folder. It is directly into the drive. Okay. I will share you this notepad screen. See here. So I'm typing this. Image source is equals to H. The image is directly into the H drive. So H, I will take backslash. The name of image is HTML .png. Okay. Now what you do, just close the tag. So how we are going to close the tag? Take a front slash here, right? Okay. So now I will save the file. Then I will execute the file. Okay. So after execution of the file, you will come to know that, okay, image number 1, image number 2. So you'll see that so many images will be displayed, 2, 3, and 4. Understood? So one image is from which drive? This is in the same folder and this is in the H drive. Okay, so these are the 4 different ways, guys, of taking the image path. It is very, very important, right? Okay, so just go through the video for more understanding. Go through this video again and again for tomorrow's class.